Originating in London, Svenson set up its first hair centre in Hong Kong in 1973. It now has almost 60 centres across Asia and is the most experienced hair care centre here in Hong Kong. Its visiting expert trichologist Mark Birch says that over the last decade, Asians, both men and women, are facing a worsening hair problem.
People in Asia are on a lot more stress these days, and there's a lot more hair loss in this part of the world. As I say, because if you take women's hair loss, it's increased in the last 10 years, tenfold. You see a lot more women getting thinner these days than you would, 10, 15 years ago.
Brich explains that while Asians tend to have longer hair growing stages of 6 years as opposed to Caucasians 4, Asians also tend to lack iron in their hair due to their tea drinking culture. The tannin in tea inhibits the absorption of iron, which is important for hair growth.
It can be from many different factors. Dietary, certain medications, you're lacking in iron, you're lacking in certain vitamins. It can be from diabetes, many factors. If you just had a childbirth, if you're going into menopause, depression, so many factors.
In fact, there are more than 46 causes of hair loss. Birch says using unsuitable products off the shelf contributes to the problem.
A lot of products contain a lot of chemicals. Basically people use a lot of hairspray, which is shellac, it's alcohol, it's glue. They use a lot of gel, which is glycol, which is a plasticizer. So there's many different products which we call hair junk cosmetics, which are just for cosmetic reasons. But they build up a lot of residue on the scalp. Every day your scalp is secreting oil, sweat, there's bacteria, there's pollution. So basically you can't expect it to have beautiful hair and not to do anything about it or not to look after it.
Svenson has developed a wide range of exclusive and proven proprietary treatments. These are administered by professionals endorsed by the Trichology Association of the relevant region. All treatments begin with a proper consultation, which includes a detailed examination, construction of case history, and a diagnosis. Advanced laser therapy is one of their flagship treatments. The treatment uses a laser phototherapy device which can effectively improve pattern hair loss. Another remedy, TDSM, generates electrical currents to safely improve the scalp's absorption of Svenson's exclusive bioactive tripeptide complex, which inhibits the activity of 5-alpha reductase and extends the growth phase of hair follicles.
It's a preventative for the DHT, dehydrotestosterone, testosterone, which keeps the DHT level down. It's also very good for circulation on the scalp as well. It also contains something called biotin, which is a PABA, it's a para-aminobenzoic acid, which is one of the most important minerals for the hair growth as well. So it's a very good advanced treatment, and there's some very good results. It's never too late because you can also always improve the condition of the scalp and improve the condition of the hair. No, you can't grow somebody's hair back that's lost it for 10 years and got scar tissue on their scalp, and once the follicle becomes atrophied and died, then there's nothing you can do about it. But in saying that, if the follicles are still active, anywhere follicles are active, you can improve the follicles. You can make them stronger and still keep the hair growing. Yes.
While it's normal to shed about 100 pieces of hair a day, Birch says if your hair is thinning and scalp is showing, you should consult the professional help. To have healthy hair, he advises people to keep a good diet and wash hair daily. Young men can check whether they are genetically prone to hair loss and start prevention early. But most importantly,
to have a good consultation, find out exactly what type of scalp you've got, find out exactly what type of hair you've got, and follow a good hair care regime. Using the proper products.